will be here in half an hour. Hurry up.
Oh no!
What's going on?
You're on a remote location, and then from there... Hello?
Hunt, we're in trouble.
What? I'm really sorry. I'm gonna have to go.
We lost all the data and the clients will be here soon. Make the presentation file again and send it to me ASAP.
Sorry, but I just can't shake the feeling that... Sorry, just one moment. Hello?
You are having some problems. I need your help.
Sure.
Just one. ไม่ได้ค่ะ Sorry.
I need your help. Urgently. Send me the PPT file.
Clients are here.
Oh my god.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming today. Is this offer this wonderful project?
Work in style from anywhere and everywhere. Simple, powerful, beautiful. Samsung ATIV.